All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we got some new carbon fiber for the Z06. So I'm going to show you guys what I got and show you what it looks like on the car. So as you can see by the thumbnail and the title, what I got are some carbon fiber vent cover pieces for the Z06 engine bay. So these pieces go on the far side of the engine bay. I'll show you exactly where they go. I wouldn't even call it an install. This should take less than a couple minutes to put on the car. But I'll give you guys a close-up and show you the front and back. I got these engine bay vent covers from EOS, Extreme Online Store, so I'll put a sticker over here. As you can see, quality is pretty great. No blemishes, no cracks, no scratches. Looks really good. The back side is also really clean. Just going to show you what it looks like. Comes with 3M tape pre-installed. As you can tell, there's one screw that you're gonna have to take off. I believe it's a T40. So you need a T40 Torx bit and a ratchet wrench. So extremely easy. This Torx screw in the back here, closest to the window, that's the one you're taking off with the T40. And same thing on the other side. Like I said, same thing. This screw right here closest to the window with a T40. That's what you're taking out. So basically it's as easy as taking those screws out, placing the pieces on, screwing them back in, and then obviously make sure you take the 3M tape off. You don't have to use all the tape on the back, but use some of it so it can kind of hold down here in the corner. And then obviously screw it back in and you got it down. You guys can see the final look here. I don't think video does it justice, but in person when I'm looking at this, it really adds a lot of gloss to this back end here, which was otherwise like, this kind of satin look. So looks really good. So my plan for the engine bay is to keep adding carbon fiber, like this piece here in the center, this left panel, and then the right panel right here. And then after that, probably the carbon fiber X brace or engine cover. So as I keep getting more pieces, I'm going to show you guys one by one so you can get an idea of what each piece looks like. Anyway, that's it for the video today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you got any questions, put them in the comments. I will try to answer those. Like, subscribe, always appreciate that. And otherwise, see you guys next time.